Had a fella come into the yard last week, my neighbor Darrell, corn harvest just wrapping up, and he's got his Kubota B7800 on the trailer looking like a dog that just got scolded. Loader won't lift, he says, nothing. I've heard those words 100 times. 9 times out of 10 it's not the end of the world, but you've got to work through it right, or you'll spend money you don't need to spend. Here's the thing about Kubota tractor hydraulic problems. The system is simpler than people think, but it'll punish you fast if you skip steps. A dead loader lift could be a $4 filter or a $900 pump. The difference is knowing where to start. First thing, and I mean before you touch anything else, check your hydraulic fluid level and condition. Pull the dipstick on the transmission case because on most Kubota B series, the hydraulic system shares fluid with the transmission. If it's low, that's your answer right there. If the fluid looks dark, foamy, or smells burnt, you've got contamination, and that changes the whole conversation. Top it off with the correct fluid, Kubota UDT or Super UDT2, and try the loader again. If the fluid's fine, your next stop is the hydraulic filter. On the B7800, it's usually on the right side of the transmission housing. A clogged filter starves the pump of flow and nothing lifts. Swap it out. They're cheap. While you're there, look at the suction line going into the pump for any cracks or loose clamps. Air in the system will kill your lift just as fast as low fluid. Now, if you've done both those things and still nothing, check the loader's control valve and the hydraulic relief valve. The relief valve is your system's pressure regulator. If it's stuck open or set too low, the pump makes pressure, but it bleeds right off and you get zero lift. You'll need the service manual to get the correct relief pressure spec for your model and the adjustment procedure. For the B7800, it's around 2,400 psi. Don't guess on that number. Here's something they don't tell you in the YouTube comments. Before you declare the pump dead, always cycle the loader control lever back and forth about 20 times with the engine running. I've seen air pockets in the valve body cause a completely dead lift, and pumping the lever burps it right out. Saved Darrell about $600 that afternoon. If you want the full service manual for your Kubota with all the specs, torque values, and hydraulic diagrams, I've got them over at the manual store. Links right below this video. Gives you every number you need so you're not guessing. Thumbs up if this helped. Drop your questions in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.